Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video, basically we are going to link IDX with GoHighLevel, and I will show you step by step how you can link your IDX, how you can move your all properties and all data into GoHighLevels, and even you can book appointment with GoHighLevel, and you can list properties in GoHighLevel, and also you can import IDX snapshots as well into GoHighLevel. Either you are not able to link with it, it's a super easy, and I will simply go and show you how we can do this. The first thing is that we need to go agency.idx.com. So first of all you need to go here and you can create your account here. It's a super easy. You need to just submit your name, emails and password and confirmation password and just create it. But I already have the account, so I just sign up with the same detail. Right now I have the login, so simply I need to just continue with GoHighLevel, and it will take few seconds, and after that you need to just log into your GoHighLevel account. Simply here click on it and it will be automatically log into your GoHighLevel agency account. So right now we have logged into our GoHighLevel account. So here is the next things we need to do here. Just simply press the next button and you can select your sub account. I have 3 sub accounts, so I'm going to use this one, test one. I just simply select this one, and by the way it will be appear on those account they have paid IDX account. Okay, I just select this account, and after that I just simply go back, and here we can see the setup is already connected. Here you can see all features that we need there, and here you can select your all sub account, or you can make custom link. Here is all those account will be show they have IDX, otherwise you can select this one. And another thing is that simply go to your agency setting, or there in the company setting, copy this URL or this script you need to add into your agency setting JavaScript area, and after that you need to create your custom menu, and you need to put all things in a custom menu. I will show you step by step. I just simply go to back in my agency setting, go to setting, and after that I need to go to white label area, and after that you need to go to company setting, go to white label, and here you can see we have a code that's called JavaScript, and also we have another CSS or other code as well, but right now I'm going to add JavaScript. Simply add this code that I have copy from here, and after that I just save changes and say yes, proceed. Okay, and go back here, and after that what we need to do create custom menu here. For custom menu, you see you just copy the link, okay, and go to agency setting, and after that you can just copy paste this link. That's a super easy. And I just go to back here and go to custom menu. Here I'm already in a agency setting. I just go to the custom menu, create custom menu, and here we can select the name. I will say IDX. Normally we will use $sign, so I'm going to use this one. Okay, link title we will say IDX leads. We can say that. Put a URL that you have copy, and you can select a setting. It will be open in a similar tab or new tab. You can select on it. I just go back here, and here you can see that's a copy your dashboard link. Click a button below to copy a link with it. Okay, another thing is, if you can't add custom menu link, your administrator and install widget using this link. We are not installing widgets, we are doing a custom menu link, so that's why I just use this link. And here you can see it shows agency sidebar, and you can select your sub account as well. I just select my this test sub account, and view all user, or you can just say it will be show to admin or user. I'm going to select all user, and allow in a microphones and cameras. Yeah, I just allow this permission as well, and I just create this custom menu. Okay, I just go back here, and right now I just see here we have custom menu. Okay, and just simply click on it, and here we will see all the things here. I just go to high level area, and we can see that's a all things or links, all features are implemented. And here is a no agent in this area, because I don't have IDX paid login. For that I can show you step by step as well. Just allow me a second. It's a super easy. You need to log in into your IDX account, and after that you need to select lead connector, and after the lead connector simply you need to log in with your GoHighLevel. It's a simple, easy. Just we did our with agency IDX add-on. It's a same type of procedure. You need to just few clicks and you are able to link. And after that, you can import your snapshot here, and and also you can use MLS setup as well. You can leads, you can import your websites, and you can create your website, and even you can use this widget in your funnel design and website design area as well. And here we have another apps that you can integrate, and here we have all high level related apps and dashboard custom fields and even the snapshots as well. So it's a super easy. And here we can see we have I can also check in a test sub account that we have link with our IDX, and also we have created a custom menu as well. And here you can see there is a custom menu IDX leads. So that's how you can link with IDX with the GoHighLevel. It's a super easy, and it's a amazing tools for realtors. So it's a super easy. If you need any services related IDX integrations or designing IDX website, simply go to leadsflex.com, book your free consultation, and the link description box below, and you can jump on it and you can book free consultation, and I will jump with you and I will do all things for you. And if you buy GoHighLevel with my affiliate link, the link in description box below, and I will jump with you in a call and I will do all the setup, all the IDX integrations with GoHighLevel free of cost. Thank you so much for watching my video.